Hi everyone, today I'll be making curry shrimp, also known as prawn curry here in the UK. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We have tomatoes, onions, spring onions, coriander, chief curry powder, duck and go curry powder, turmeric, garlic, fresh thyme, Maggi cube, clean and deveined shrimp, green seasoning, salt, black pepper, and this will be used to season our shrimp. Start off by seasoning the shrimp with the green seasoning. This is made up of coriander, spring onions, ginger, garlic, and blended with a little water. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Give everything a good mix and set aside to marinate for 5 minutes. On medium heat, add your oil, onions, spring onions, fresh thyme, garlic, and give everything a good mix and allow to fry for 1 minute. Then add your curry powders. Again, give everything a good mix and allow it to fry for 2 minutes, turning every now and then. Add water and allow it to fry for another 3 minutes or until the oil starts to separate from the curry paste. Add tomatoes, and cook until it's softened. You can also allow it to completely melt to make a thicker sauce. Add your shrimp and mix well into the curry paste. Now you can add your seasoning powders if using. I am using 1 Maggi cube. You can add a tip of water. I like a bit of gravy, or as we say in Trinidad, sauce. But this is optional. If you prefer thicker gravy, you can leave it out. Add your salt and black pepper, your fresh coriander, give everything a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It is now done and ready for you to enjoy. Hey guys, thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed, please do give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. See you in my next video. Bye!